At least 4 Kansas school districts, Liberal, Ulysses, Stanton County, and Rolla, already canceling school tomorrow in anticipation of another day with very strong winds and blowing dust.
We have many people who commute. We want to make sure they're safe. We have a majority of our students either walk or ride the bus, and with visibility being very, very minimal, we're afraid something might happen.
And those strong winds will return, and with it the fire danger that we have been dealing with for the last several days.